The Canon EOS R7 Mark II is poised to redefine the landscape of APS-C mirrorless cameras. Anticipated for release in the third quarter of 2025, this camera is set to offer significant upgrades over its predecessor, the EOS R7, catering to both professional photographers and serious enthusiasts. Design and build quality. Canon is expected to maintain the compact and rugged design of the original R7, ensuring durability in various shooting conditions. The body is likely to feature enhanced weather sealing, making it more resilient against dust and moisture. A refined grip and improved ergonomics are anticipated, providing better handling during extended shooting sessions. Additionally, the inclusion of a top LCD panel, a feature commonly found in Canon's higher-end models, would facilitate quick access to settings without the need to navigate through menus. Sensor and image quality. The EOS R7 Mark II is rumored to house a 32.5 MP stacked APS-C CMOS sensor. This advancement would offer faster readout speeds, reduced rolling shutter, and improved low-light performance. The sensor is expected to be paired with Canon's latest image processor, enhancing overall image quality and enabling high-speed continuous shooting. Camera rumors, +4. The new camera, +4. The new camera, +4. Autofocus and performance. Building upon the dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system, the Mark II is likely to feature enhanced autofocus capabilities. With improved subject tracking and faster focusing speeds, it would be well-suited for capturing fast-moving subjects in various scenarios. The camera is expected to offer high-speed continuous shooting, making it ideal for sports and wildlife photography. Video capabilities. Canon is anticipated to push the boundaries of video recording with the EOS R7 Mark II. The camera is rumored to support 6K internal recording at up to 60 frames per second, providing high-resolution footage for professional videography. Additionally, 4K recording at 120 frames per second would allow for smooth slow-motion videos. The inclusion of Canon Log 3 and 10-bit 4:2:2 color depth would offer greater flexibility in post-production color grading. Tech radar. Connectivity and usability. The EOS R7 Mark II is expected to feature dual UHS-2 memory card slots, providing ample storage options for high-resolution images and videos. Connectivity options are likely to include Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, enabling seamless file transfers and remote control capabilities. The camera's touchscreen is anticipated to be fully articulating, catering to vlogging and creative shooting angles. The new camera, +1. The new camera, +1. Lens compatibility and ecosystem. Canon is rumored to release 2 new RFS lenses alongside the EOS R7 Mark II. These lenses are expected to offer a versatile zoom range, complementing the camera's capabilities. The RFS lens lineup is anticipated to expand, providing more options for APS-C format shooters. The new camera, +5. Photography panel, +5. Canon CameraNews-capetown.info, +5. Market positioning and pricing. Positioned as a flagship APS-C mirrorless camera, the EOS R7 Mark II is expected to be priced higher than its predecessor, reflecting its advanced features and capabilities. This pricing strategy aims to attract professionals seeking high-performance equipment without transitioning to full-frame systems.